What I thought from that call, really looking at it, is there was a big elephant in the room. You know, there's these people, they're presenting on the company, they've got to put their best foot forward. But I am really surprised at the lack of drive and penetration from the analysts on the valuation of this company. I'm absolutely amazed by that. The revenue numbers are not a surprise. They're slightly higher than people thought. And they're not bad.
Is that an indication that they're showing strong growth in mobile, they're going in the direction?
Well, that's going to be the key. I mean, you know, you take the typical user. This all has to be converted to the iPhone, to mobile usage. There's no question, especially their application. I mean, it's a social media play all the way. This is not really an application. So they've got to make that transition. I think they're doing okay with that. And obviously, they're doing a lot of product development stuff. I think they've got about 15% of their revenue invested in R&D. So that's a good number.
There was one question on the call about alluding to, you guys are going to build a phone, and I know that there was some speculation a couple of weeks ago about that. Do you think that's something that's necessary for Facebook?
Well, okay, historically, anytime companies get into spaces that they really don't know, and they definitely don't know that space at all, they tend to get in trouble. There are companies, I think there's one actually, Apple, which has done a very good job moving from manufacturing to software development to all types of things. They had an outstanding entrepreneur, almost historically unprecedented, to be able to do that. When companies start to do that, it makes me worry a little bit that they're a little bit shaky on their core business. So that almost concerns me just a bit. This is not a bad company. Again, they've got revenues, the revenues are growing. We expect as the company gets to be big that the revenue growth would be lower, no problem, but it's all around valuation.